Get ready, we're going to make chips that are going to change your world. Hi, I'm Eugene Fitzgerald, CEO and Director of SMART, MIT's research enterprise in Singapore. So SMART is a partnership between MIT and the National Research Foundation, and it's here to do research, innovation, entrepreneurship, have impact in Singapore and the globe. So SMART has 5 large research programs and an innovation center. And the research programs span from future mobility to antimicrobial resistance. Today I'll just talk about the program where we actually have been able to insert high-performance semiconductors into silicon integrated circuits. What this means for applications is that you'll have better 5G communication, your battery life in your phone will last longer. You'll have better data centers, information will move faster through them. What you have to understand is that your phone used to go through regular improvements because of the chips inside, and what was going on there was that people were shrinking and making more dense processing and electronics inside those chips. That's come to an end. And we anticipated this, so 10 years ago we had started a program in SMART where we looked forward and said, okay, what are the chips that are going to be done in the future that will improve not only these products but create the potential for new products in the future. Keep a lookout for SMART in the future. We have a lot of important things coming out. We have some projects related to COVID-19 and you'll see science is going to help there. That's the ultimate solution. And also our chip advances that I mentioned in this video are in the next few months to a couple years. It's going to be amazing. You're going to see all sorts of leading edge integrated circuits coming from SMART.